after you've done the first one, then hopefully you can do the second one by yourself, or maybe not. But don't do it until you are confident that you know how to handle it from start to finish. And also, if you don't even know how to, if we don't even know how to analyze the numbers to make sure that the numbers work, then we need that at least as a starting point. And so there's a lot of things that you would benefit from getting a mentor on, or investing, teaming up with somebody who's doing it. That's one of the things that I did early on, is I started to team up with people that were doing, flips, and they were much more successful than I was. And I learned what were they doing. And I was putting in some of the money, and in return, they were teaching me how to do what they did, some of their kind of insider secrets. I wouldn't do it quickly. I would do it properly. And if you don't even know how to analyze it, the first thing you do before you get into any business is you analyze the numbers. And if you don't know what the numbers are, then there's no point even getting started, because just because I said I like that asset class of self-storage, well, I don't like every self-storage business out there. Obviously it's got to be lucrative, and the goal is to make yourself money, and with little or no headache. And so, but if you don't even know what you're getting yourself into, then you're heading into very dangerous territory. So the answer is no, don't jump in. Don't try to do it quickly. Self-storage units will still be available a year from now, and 5 years from now, and 10 years from now. So it's not like a limited time offer to get into them, but never invest in anything that you don't know how to do properly. It's just, if I don't understand it, I won't invest in it. And it might be the opportunity of a lifetime. I don't fully understand crypto. I don't know anybody who's got a great strategy, for example, so I haven't invested in it. So one day I might try to figure it out, and then I might. But so for you, if you jump in, it might be the beginning and end of your real estate career. So make sure you get somebody to help you look over the numbers and make sure it's even a deal to begin with. And only then should you start negotiating. Hey, Mike Wolf here. Today I'm in a place called Bansko, which is in Bulgaria, Eastern Europe. And this is my first time here. I've been traveling around Europe for a couple of months now. And this is, I think, my 7th country so far, and many more to come. But it's all possible because of the passive income I've created through real estate. So if you want to learn how to do this too, make sure you click the link below. We'll have a conversation to see if my Wolf Pack, which is my mentorship program, is right for you.